The word unless means only if not. It is the opposite of if. For example, I will let you drive my car only if you don't tell our parents about the accident. This is a real future condition, but it has a negative form. Only if you don't tell our parents about the accident. We can substitute only if you don't with unless, and we get I will let you drive my car unless you tell our parents about the accident. If you don't tell equals unless you tell. Let's look at another example. If you don't leave right now, I swear I will call the police. Let's change the sentence. So we have unless in it instead of if not. So we get, unless you leave right now, I swear I will call the police. If you don't leave equals, unless you leave. One more example. She won't be allowed to enter the country. If she doesn't get a visa, try to change it. So we have unless in the sentence. So you should have the following sentence. She won't be allowed to enter the country unless she gets a visa. If she doesn't get equals unless she gets unless equals if not or only if not. Usually unless is used in future real conditions only. It is very seldom used in present or past. Unreal. That's it for now. Stay tuned for the next episode of Sowing Seedz Grammar.